Today I'm preparing a perfect sourdough discard chocolate chip cookie recipe from thebakingnetwork.com. My name is Stefano, welcome to my channel. If you're a sourdough lover, I suggest you to take a look to this website. They offer online class, but also give great information and super tasty recipes. But let's start with our recipe. Melt 113 grams of salted butter to create 90 grams of browned butter. By slowly melt and simmer in a small skillet until it turns in a caramelized brown color. Mix together 120 grams sugar and 60 grams dark brown sugar into the melted butter. Let it cool down for a few minutes. Then add the sourdough discard, a teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat well by hand until smooth and well combined. Stir in 140 grams all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt and mix in thoroughly. Combine in 110 grams of dark chocolate chips. Cover with film and let chill the dough at least 1 hour in the fridge. Preheat your oven at 190 degrees Celsius. Divide the dough into 50 grams portion, roll into large balls and place on a parchment paper lined baking sheet, keeping some space between each other. These cookies are a super easy, fail-proof version of a classic chewy chocolate chip cookie. They get an extra burst of flavor from the browned butter, plus using already melted butter makes the cookie super quick and easy to mix by hand without the use of machine. The dough has no eggs, so don't worry that they seem to be missing. You can store the mix in the fridge for weeks and bake them fresh as you need them. The dough has a very easy moldable consistency and spreads perfectly. The texture of this cookie is chewy on the inside and slightly crunchy on the sides. It has a super tasty flavor because the acidity given from the sourdough discard. Bake in the preheated oven for something between 11 to 13 minutes, or until golden brown around the edges and not quite set in the middle. Remove from the oven, use extra chocolate chips to fill in any empty looking areas on the cookies. Evacuate from the baking sheet and allow to cool completely. You can store in an airtight container for a few days if you can resist it. And that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, consider subscribing, and I catch you guys in the next episode.